Hi everyone, today I will show you how we can create a 3D object in AutoCAD. I will show you a very simple step. So this is a object we will create in 3D. Right now we are in AutoCAD 2D. For 3D we have to click here on gear icon and click on 3D modeling. And we are in the 3D model now. So let's create this object. I will create this 3D object by three parts. First is this one, then we have this whole one, and second is this opposite side rib type here. So I will click a line command here. This is 125, and I will make a line and offset 50, 50, click offset 25. To create a circle, click on this circle and you can select the circle as per your requirement. So I will select here center radius, and this is my point, and I will give the radius 30. I will press enter again to continue the command, and this time I will use 90. I will press again enter to continue the command, and this time R8. I will offset 8, and here we have a diameter 12 radius, so it is 6 radius. I will offset 6, and I will take line command. This is my end line command, and this is endpoint, and this is the 10 of the circle. So I will delete this. I will use fillet, enter, radius 6. I will type trim tr. And this is not required. I will mirror this one against this center line. I will trim this one also. So our basic geometry is created now. I will copy here one again. I will trim this one because this is not required. So my first part geometry is created, this portion. Second one is this cylinder. For 3D, to extrude any object, so let's extrude. Click on this home button here and you will go to the isometric view. For extrusion, it should be a single entity, otherwise it will not extrude. So to make a single entity, click here in draw and select this one region command here and select this one, enter, and now it is a single entity and we can extrude this one. For extrusion, click on extrude, select the object, enter, and if you want to extrude upside, move the cursor up. If you want to extrude downside, move the cursor downside. So I will move up and the height is 12. Now if you want to see in a solid this object, click here and click on conceptual, or if you want to see in hidden, you can see it hidden. If you want to realistic, it will work only realistic when you choose the material, and it is a shader. So these are the options available for the solid objects. So I will click on 2D wireframe here. Now I will copy this and I will extrude these two cylinders. Height is 44. we will click conceptual here and you can rotate. So now we have to make a hole here. How we can make a hole? We have to subtract the smaller cylinder from the bigger cylinder. So I will click 2D wireframe. Here we have to click on subtract, select the bigger one, enter, select the smaller one, enter. We have created the hole here. So we will go to again isometric view. Now we have to create this portion here. So here I will click on a top view and I will create one reference line here. It is 50 because this is the 50, and we can go into the isometric view again here, select this point and up is 28. Again from this point I will go up 28. Now I will include this one and this one. So if we click on top view, so the first radius is 14 and hole is R6. So we have to make a single entity first. First we will make radius. Click fillet, radius 14. Now we will make a single entity. Click here on draw and select the region command, enter. We will move this one 6 mm up. And now we have to create a hole here, cylinder. If I will create a circle here, so it is from the top to bottom because my Z is upside. So I want to create a cylinder from that side. So in this case, my Y should be upside. For that, we have to change the UCS. You simply type here UCS. And here you pick any point. I will pick this point. And this side I will select X and this side my Y. You can see that now. Y is up, X is on that side. So I will create a circle here, 6. So I will delete this one. Click on top view. We will extrude this one now. Click on extrude, select these two objects, enter. The height is 28. Click on here top view and I will move this one 14 and isometric view here, and this is conceptual. So because this is a cylinder, so it not match properly. How we can match this one? Click here on press pull, select this one, enter and extend. You can see that now it is properly match. So again we have to extrude, subtract this one, go to wireframe, click on subtract, select this one enter, this one, enter. So right now we have 3 parts. One is this one, and second one, third one. So we have to make a single entity. Then we will cut here all through. So I will click on isometric view here. For making a single component, click on here union and select all 3, enter. And now it is a single entity, one we select. Click on top view here and wireframe, and here I will extend this one. It is 3 mm offset that side and 3 mm that side. So I will delete this one. I will trim this one. Again I will make a single entity by region command. Now it is a single entity here. Go to the isometric view, click on extrude, select the object, enter, give any height, and now again subtract from this, enter this one, click on conceptual. So in this way we create a 3D object. We change the UCS, we make from different components. So with this exercise you guys can create on any object in AutoCAD. I hope you understood how we can create a 3D object in AutoCAD. If you have any comment related to this tutorial or this object, please comment in the comment box.